Hi dear teacher and friends, I am Aditya. Today I am going to show and tell you about my object. So this is my object, nature. So my dear friends, nature is the one of the beautiful blessing for human life. Look at the sun. It teaches us to live life with punctuality. You look at the sky. It teaches us there is no limit. So my dear friends, you go high as you want. Okay, look at the mountain. It teaches stand strong in any situation. Look at the tree. It teaches us giving and forgiving. When you throw the stone on the tree gives us fruits. Look at the river. It teaches keep flowing. So my dear friends, nature is the biggest gift from God. Let's protect our nature. Thank you.